Okay, I guess we're recording now. All right. So, hey guys, this problem has been racking my head for a while, and I need some help. I guess I'm gonna post this on YouTube, Discord, wherever I'm gonna post it. Even on Unity forum. I'm not sure where I'm gonna post it. Anyway, so I have this character right here, and I'm, using vertex displacement to animate the cloth and animate this fake cloth physics that he has in here. But the problem is that Unity shader, this is like mesh based displacement, so it's not, like I'm not using any kind of material or some sort of shader inside Blender. So the workflow does not translate as needed in Unity. So here I have in Unity, I made this displacement, and I have uh, the position of the mesh, okay, with the world. And then I have the time node, and the time is multiplied by the a float of two. So vector two anyway. So I have a speed of direction. Is it- yeah, it's vector two, vector two. So uh, and then it's added to the world position. And from there, the world position is added to a gradient noise, and there's a noise size, so there is a scalar here, and there's a displacement amount, so we multiply it again, and this is the normal vector, the normal direction. And I was able to have that flat shaded, of course, by borrowing from some other tutorial on how to shade that. And anyway, so I have the normal vector, and it's multiplied by the noise and the time node, and I have the object position, okay, and it's added and then fed into the vertex position here. So here comes the problem that I'm really facing, and it's driving me out of my mind. Is that how do I isolate? So I tried everything. I tried to use the UV map here, and I I did like everything that I could. Okay, use the UV map, and I tried to use that as the position, and it's not working. And I'm not really good at I don't fully understand still yet how the graph editor works, and how does like graphic processing to the advanced level. Okay, I'm still I w- I would dare say I'm a beginner in this, but this is the thing. It is like I don't know how to do this. I really don't know how to do this, and I need some help. I need some guidance. So yeah, in a minute. Duplicate this one. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Wait, 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 wait. Duplicate this. And I plug this in. Save. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Split. So I already set up the UVs because I was like trying to attempt this. So I have the UVs that are not being displaced here. Okay. And the UVs that are being displaced in this area right there. So let's see. Uh is it the red? Right, right. Okay. I think it's the red. I don't know. Multiply, multiply, multiply. Oh, come on. Multiply. Yes. Okay, it's right. Correct. Okay. So let's take this thing. Uh, come on, come on. Think, think, think. Okay, right, right. Uh, let's take a blending node, and to override. Okay. And I'm going to plug in this thing as an opacity. I'm going to plug this one here, plug this one here. Okay. Save. Nothing's happening. Wait, there is something happening. Wait, is it? Come on, come on, come on, come on, please. Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god. It worked. It finally worked. Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold on, I'm taking a break. I'm taking a breather right now. Worked. It worked. No, it does work. It's just gotta do it in a different way. Okay, so this is for people who are, I guess, starting to do this shit. Okay. Oh my god. All right. So what I did here, okay, this is specifically for Blender people. All right. So you know how you mix things using masks, right? For using any kind of color, okay, using a mask, black and white, and that's what we did there. That's why I was like checking blend or multiply. Come on, multiply. So I separated the the UV direction, right? What is that one? Split from the split, bro. Okay, so and here I separated that, isolated to make it a black and white mask based on the UV. Okay, and using the UV, I just masked the vertices between the displaced one and a regular one, and that actually worked. That actually worked. Oh my god. Oh my god. It worked. I'm not sure if this is efficient or right, but it worked. And I don't care. I don't care. It worked. That's it. I'm done. This is done. I'm done for tonight. We're done here. We're done. We're done. Have a good night. Thank you guys for the help because me talking about it helped me solve it. Thank you.